तू रुक मत, थक मत, बस चलता चल, राहों में अपने फूल बिछा दे। मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से कर कि तेरी कामयाबी शोर मचा दे। हेलो, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। Welcome to another episode of my talk show, Inspiring Lives by Manu. Inspiring Lives by Manu is an initiative to honor and highlight the unsung heroes of our society. People who are successful in their respective lives and have been contributing a lot in making a difference in other people's lives. जिंदगी में कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो खुद तो सफल होते ही हैं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो दूसरों की जिंदगियों में तब्दीली लाने में अपना योगदान देते हैं। आइए मिलते हैं ऐसे ही कुछ नायाब हीरो से। Today we are going to meet a very vibrant, passionate, extremely talented and a very good human being. She is an avid media professional, having more than 12 years of experience working in media, broadcasting and entertainment industry. Miss Sakshi Mandwal. Sakshi, apart from this, she is also a news reader. She is a talk show host. She is also a sports journalist, an MC, voiceover artist, a commentator, script writer, and a public speaker. She has been working with Doordarshan from past more than 10 years as a voiceover artist and as an anchor. And she has been hosting several national and international events, sports tournaments specifically, and talk shows for them. तो आइए मिलते हैं हमारे आज के मेहमान से, मिस साक्षी मंडवाल। So welcome Sakshi to our show Inspiring Lives by Manu. First of all, thank you so much for accepting my invite, and you are here today in front of me, and it's my pleasure to have you on this show.
Thank you so much, Manuji, and it's always a pleasure. It feels just beautiful today, given how tough the times are. We're all sitting at home because of the COVID and the pandemic situation. Lekin, you're doing something which is beautiful, and as always, it feels beautiful. We have swapped seats. It was
I
a
know.
pleasure, my honor to interview several times for Didi on our show, and today I think it's a
Yes,
blessing
those are fond memories
to be done.
which we
Yes.
had together, and it was a wonderful show. I mean, there's no second thought to it that you are a wonderful host, a wonderful anchor, and an expert in your respective field. I've already introduced you to the audience, and I think our audience today would be very, very anxious to know more about you from yourself. So they would be looking forward to know you as a person and to know you as a professional in your respective field, in your respective media and broadcasting industry.
Right.
So सबसे पहले जो आई थिंक सभी जानना चाहेंगे वो ये है साक्षी के आप ओरिजिनली कहाँ से हैं? Where do you belong to?
I originally come from Lucknow, Manuji. I was born and
Okay.
brought up in Lucknow,
Great.
and in fact, raised also over there. I did my schooling from Lucknow, and I
Okay.
did my graduation from there. And then I moved out to Delhi, and presently I'm based out of Delhi because मैंने masters यहीं से complete किया अपने. और
Okay.
masters करते वक्त ही is the time when I actually started working, and I chose the profession of being a part of media. So yes,
Right.
originally I come from Lucknow.
Beautiful. कहते हैं ना नवाबों की सिटी जहाँ
जी.
पे वैसे ही बड़ी तहजीब से बात की जाती है. That's why you're so sweet, so humble, so modest. I can definitely relate your attitude, your behavior with the background, your
एंड
origin.
मैम की आपने एक बहुत सुंदर बात बोली कि अबाउट मॉडेस्टी। इनफैक्ट मैं हमारे आपके सारे दर्शकों और व्यूअर्स को ये बताना भी चाहूंगी कि आई डोंट थिंक मॉडेस्टी हैज एनीथिंग टू डू कि कोई इंसान किस शहर से आ रहा है या कहाँ पे पैदा हुआ था। इट इज समथिंग दैट आई पर्सनली फील एवरीबडी शुड हैव इनसाइड देमसेल्व्स। आई मीन
Very
अगर
true.
आप इंसान
Yeah.
अच्छे हैं तो वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी से, आपकी जुबान से हमेशा झलकेगा। एंड
झलकेगा।
एज अ ह्यूमन आप हमेशा ही इसी तरह से नवाजे भी जाते हो और
हाँ जी,
तोले भी जाते हो कि आपकी जुबान कैसी है और आपका कैरेक्टर कैसा है और आपका कॉन्शियस कितना प्योर है। इफ यू
वेरी ट्रू।
स्टिक टू दीज थिंग्स इन लाइफ, आई थिंक नो मैटर हाउ यू गो, हाउ फार यू गो और हाउ फार यू डोंट गो, as a
यस,
human you'll always be remembered for being a very good human being, and I think that's very important in life.
आई नो, वेरी ट्रू, वेरी वेल सेड साक्षी। बिकॉज मैंने भी कहीं पढ़ा था, इनफैक्ट अपने पेरेंट्स से ही सीखा है कि अगर आप अपनी जड़ों के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और जुड़े रहते हैं, जमीन पे रहते हैं, तो आप बहुत ऊंचा जाते
बहुत
हैं।
बहुत
और
खूब।
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम कभी भी अपनी जड़ों को ना भूलें।
करेक्ट।
और आपका काम देखते हुए, द काइंड ऑफ वर्क यू हैव डन, द काइंड ऑफ माइलस्टोन्स यू हैव अचीव्ड सो फार, आई थिंक दैट्स कमेंडेबल। और पूरा पता चल रहा है मुझे कि अपब्रिंगिंग, डेफिनेटली इस तरह के एक संस्कार आपको दिए गए होंगे। और मैंने कहीं पढ़ा कि आपकी शायद प्रेरणा स्रोत जो है, जो इंस्पिरेशन है, वो आपके अपने पेरेंट्स हैं। तो वो आपने कहीं लिखा भी था। सो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। ये मतलब हमारे जो संस्कार हैं, जो हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग है, उसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। हमारा करियर किस ग्राफ की तरफ जाता है, उसका क्या वो होता है, एक कहते हैं ना कि एक डायरेक्शन किस तरफ जाती है उसकी।
जी।
तो आपकी स्कूलिंग वगैरह भी लखनऊ से ही हुई है?
हाँ जी,
यू हैव
मेरी स्कूलिंग
डन
लखनऊ
योर
से
स्कूलिंग
हुई।
एजुकेशन?
हाँ जी, आई
ओके,
वाज़ इनफैक्ट मेरी स्कूलिंग लॉरेटो कॉन्वेंट से हुई है। इट्स द ओल्डेस्ट
ओके,
मिशनरी स्कूल इंडिया के अंदर।
क्या?
एंड उसके बाद व्हेन आई वेंट ऑन टू डू माय ग्रेजुएशन बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ अ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट इन माय स्कूल,
ओके,
and
वाओ!
then I went on to do my graduation. The plan was initially to be a part, I mean, come down to Delhi and pursue English honors.
राइट।
But then, due to certain circumstances, वो तब हो नहीं पाया. Even though I could have easily joined any DU university यहाँ पर, given I
हुँ,
was a gold medalist with an aggregate of over 90%. And मैं लखनऊ में रही, and
अच्छा,
वहाँ पे भी
वाओ!
I specialized in psychology and English. And
ओके,
लखनऊ में रह के I topped in psychology. तो वहाँ से एक
ब्यूटीफुल,
एवेन्यू खुला था कि
वेरी
अगर
नाइस,
मीडिया नहीं तो शायद साइकोलॉजी को भी परस्यू करने का सोचूं, बट आई
ब्यूटीफुल,
ऊपर वाला चाहते था एंड आई वांटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मीडिया लॉट
ओके,
वेरी डेस्परेटली एंड वेरी
वेरी नाइस,
पैशनेटली अबाउट इट। सो देन वहां से फिर आफ्टर आई फिनिश माय ग्रेजुएशन देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक बिकॉज़ आई डिसाइडेड कि आई परस्यू मास्टर्स एंड
ओके।
मास्टर्स करके आई विल स्टार्ट
So this journey, how did it started? I mean, why did you, how come you joined this industry? What inspired you?
How come I joined that industry? It's something I'm being asked by a lot of people, believe you me. बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं जो
Hmm.
followers होते हैं. In fact, friends also ask. As you can make out, I love talking, but at the same
Yes.
time, I love listening to people. As a kid,
Okay.
I was an only child always. हमेशा ही मैं अकेला अकेला बच्चा रही हूँ. No
Hmm.
siblings. So जब घर पर लोग आते थे, मेहमान आते थे, relatives
Hmm.
आते थे, I used to love talking to them because that was my source of meeting people at that time. कोई भाई
Okay.
बहन नहीं होने की वजह से आई वाज अ वेरी सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन्ड किड. मोस्ट ऑफ माय टाइम यूज्ड टू गो इन स्टडीज एंड आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज हैव अ वेरी रूटीन लाइफ कि इससे इस टाइम तक पढ़ना है, इससे इस टाइम तक खेलना है, इससे इस टाइम तक टीवी एंड इसके बाद
So
सोना है.
full disciplined
Yes,
life.
and this was not a timetable made by my parents, by the way. I think they did not even realize मेरी schooling कब खत्म हो गई. Because
Okay.
I was just a very self-disciplined kid myself, very organized
Uh-huh.
that way. तो
Hmm.
जब घर पे मेहमान या रिश्तेदार आते थे, I used to love talking to them and hearing the stories, you know. And somehow I till date believe that to seek inspiration from people, we don't need to really look very far या बहुत ऊपर. आपकी आस-पास की ज़िंदगी के लोग जो हो सकता है ज़िंदगी में बहुत ऊँचे पायदान पर इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी ना हो, लेकिन
Right.
इंसान होने के नाते में वो कितने ऊँचे और कितने सही हैं, वो आपको इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल,
When you
बिल्कुल
listen
ठीक।
to people around you
Hmm.
from common life, they have so many stories to tell you कि उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में क्या देखा, उनके क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे, किस तरह से उन्होंने डिफिकल्टीज़ को ओवरकम किया.
Hmm.
And
हाँ जी।
just hearing and listening to those stories made me feel that I wish to be the medium through which
Very
I can
nice.
bring and help the common man's voice also reach out to a larger audience to inspire people. अगर मैं वो कर सकती हूँ तो.
Right, right, right.
Hence that need inside me to just be there for people, make their
Hmm.
stories be heard, and at the same time help them get a platform to reach out to millions to inspire
Yeah,
and just get to know their stories to seek inspiration from my own self and grow and
very
evolve
true.
as a person is
Yeah.
what made my conviction very strong as a kid. Ki this is what I want to do. Initially, I
Okay.
wanted to be only in television, but then
Okay.
as I grew, I
Uh-huh.
mean, when I say initially, it was like in class 6, 7th. I knew कि
Hmm.
मुझे इसी लाइन में होना है. And तब TV was the only source I understood, you know. But
Yeah.
जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, तो and when I came into this line, I realized that television is not necessarily the only source. आज हमारे पास इतने सारे options हैं to reach.
Options हैं, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
So why don't I just get into all of those avenues depending upon my skill set? So I
right,
started
right.
exploring post when I started doing my masters, and
Right.
then I thought there was no looking back. And
Wow.
वो choose करना.
So, I mean, I think you started your this profession, I mean, this professional career from Doordarshan, right?
हाँ जी, it started with Doordarshan way
With
back in
Doordarshan.
2008. The initial plan actually was to get into a job profile,
Hmm.
and DD happened because उन दिनों हमारे masters जब मैं post graduate diploma कर रही थी English honors में,
Hmm.
English journalism में sorry,
हाँ
तो
जी.
हमारे institute में बहुत सारे speakers आते थे.
Hmm.
And one of those speakers that I look upon to today also, and I've had the privilege of interviewing him on several occasions now. He is a mentor for me, Ravikant Singh.
Okay.
वो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में आते थे एंड उन्होंने मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स देखी एंड ही सेड
अच्छा.
दैट यू नो आप डीडी क्यों नहीं जाते हो वहां जाके एक बार अपना स्क्रीन टेस्ट दीजिए एंड आई थिंक यू
Uh,
गेट अ गो अहेड.
hmm.
I just went having
Okay.
no expectations, blank mind कि चलो एक बार ट्राई करते बिकॉज मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं क्या फर्क
Right.
पड़ता है कोर्स तो चल ही रहा है कोर्स अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Let's see.
Exactly. हाँ.
हाँ जी सो
But you took a plunge. You took a plunge and you actually went for it.
yes I just went with a blank mind hoping for the best. अगर ना भी बेस्ट होता तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी बिकॉज मास्टर्स चल ही रहा था मेरा उस
Okay.
समय.
अच्छा.
And I went and I gave the interview, got my screen testing done.
Okay.
And within a month's time, I did not see that coming. I was actually put on air because
Oh,
I was
wow.
able to follow
Wow.
specific shows while I was doing the masters.
That must have been a very a pleasant surprise for you, like a
I think
dream
both
come true
pleasant
sort of.
and beautiful. The first feeling was of fear and scare of facing the camera. You know, my cheeks were red, my nose, my ears were red, my nose was red, like I don't know, Pinocchio. I freaked out in my first show. The show.
Facing the camera and the limelight for the very first time, I can
Yes.
understand.
Yes, I
there's a
think
lot of
it's just कि
anxiety.
ऊपर से
Yeah.
सब कुछ बहुत smooth गया क्योंकि I had done my research and homework.
Right.
But internally मुझे पता है I felt my heart would literally plunge out because I had not seen, I did not know how to talk to a camera. इतना भी friendly नहीं हो गई थी. When you're talking to something which is inanimate, इंसानों से बात करने में और कैमरे से बात करने में बहुत अंतर होता है.
There's a hell lot of
I'd
difference,
been
right?
following the shows. I'd been, coming to the office every day, seeing senior sports people, see how they do the shows. I had not been tested so much to do that. And
Okay.
somehow the channel had faith in me. My seniors had faith in me. And they said, you'll do well. I said, okay, I know myself and they believe in me. Let me give it a shot.
Okay.
And when I went, it actually went smooth, except that I think it took me a whole night to get my heartbeat back to normal, that, okay, this had happened. This did
Okay.
happen today. I did what I wanted to do. And I did the show I wanted to do the most, which was sports, because I love sports.
Wonderful.
And I started my career with sports, in fact. And I think
Great.
that's a blessing. Yeah.
So I mean, I actually wanted to know, are you a cricket enthusiast? Because you are currently,
Covering the
anchoring and hosting a cricket show on television. So can you
A
just
big
tell
time.
something about it to our viewers?
A big time cricket fan. I think हमारे देश में हर कोई ही sports का fan है, and majorly cricket. I come from an era when cricket wasn't 24/7 like today. You have IPL, you have test matches, you have ODIs, you have cricket happening round the
So
clock.
many things, yeah.
हाँ
So
जी,
many events are
लेकिन way
happening.
back in 2003 की अगर बात करें तब क्रिकेट इतना नहीं था, इतना ज्यादा उस समय IPL भी नहीं आया था. So I was so passionate about the sport thanks to my father, who helped me gain an insight and knowledge about the technical angle of the sport also.
Okay.
Gradually, as I started watching people, I mean, I grew up watching Harsha Bogle or Ian Chappell, and then
The commentators, yeah.
I've just grown up watching these commentators
Right.
day in, day out, and somehow just seeing the passion in their voice and for the sport and understanding the nuances of the sport made me deeply passionate about it.
And understanding the nuances and presenting it in such a manner that it looks like as if you're sitting in the stadium. So that's like, that's a beautiful art, I must say, because the way they actually narrate it, that's awesome. That's like wonderful.
वो जितना effortless लगता है जब I think that's
you must have experienced, you must have now
जितना वो
experienced.
effortless लगता है वो बिल्कुल उतना effortless होता नहीं है. A lot of study, understanding, working on your body, working on your tone, working on your research and knowledge and insight goes into it. But the fact that ultimately one is able to make it look so effortless कि लोगों को लगता है कि यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, right?
That person has achieved the perfection in his or her craft. That आप उसको इतना easy दिखा देते हो. Well, it's not easy. Really not.
And then I think you have to be very alert, on your toes while the match is on. So you must have actually had a wonderful experience, I must say. I
Yes,
mean,
it's been a beautiful journey. And I mean, I personally always believe that, one is learning every single day, and learning comes in all forms from all people around you. There is
yeah,
no specific source of learning. अगर आप अपने आँख नाक कान खुले रखोगे तो
hmm,
आप हर जगह से कुछ ना कुछ सीख सकते
सीख
हो.
सकते हैं,
So of
बिल्कुल
course
ठीक,
it's been a beautiful journey, but it's been a journey of learnings also, as I say,
right.
because what you very rightly said, ki once you're on camera, you
Hmm,
need to be really aware of 10,000 things because you're wired in with your EP in your ear,
right, right.
where you can hear all the communication that is happening in the production control room from where all the instructions are coming. So
Right.
while I'm interviewing a person or giving a piece of information to our viewers, my
Hmm.
producer or somebody in the PCR will also be telling me that what is coming next in the next 5 seconds.
Okay, so you have to be actually taking care
Yes,
of both the
मल्टीटास्किंग both ways. आपके
multitasking,
कान
yeah,
भी चलने चाहिए, आपका मुंह भी चलना चाहिए.
which is
दोनों.
happening simultaneously. I can
Yes, happening
understand.
simultaneously. And at the same
Yeah.
time, sometimes when you have the camera persons in front of you, they'll be like, हम ये कैमरा नहीं, ये कैमरा कट कर रहे हैं. ये
Hmm.
सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा है. तो आप अगर सामने देख रहे हो, आपको सडनली राइट देखना होगा बिकॉज आपका कैमरा फ्रेम दूसरा हो गया है. You cannot
Wow.
continue looking in the
I
same
can
camera.
understand. Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
simultaneously, and then sometimes what happens, you have a resource team who comes in to give you latest
Hmm.
updates on what is happening. So वो
Okay.
जब आएंगे तो आपको उनसे तुरंत पेपर्स लेने हैं. उन पेपर्स को भी देखना है जब तक आपके कानों में आपको अपडेट मिल रहे हैं. आप
Hmm.
मुंह से इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो व्यूअर्स को, आपके हाथ में भी एक पेपर होगा जो ऑन कैमरा नहीं जाना है बिकॉज आपको
Hmm.
लेटेस्ट अपडेट दिख रहे हैं, या कभी
Hmm.
कभी सामने टेलीविजन स्क्रीन होती है. और
Yeah.
एक कैमरा पर्सन होते हैं जो कॉन्स्टेंटली बताते हैं आप सीधे नहीं बैठे हो तो सीधे बैठ जाओ. देयर आर
Hmm.
10,000 थिंग्स दैट आर
So,
हैपनिंग.
so you actually get lot of clues there, ready to
Clues,
use. Yeah.
clues and also equal number of chances, I believe, to kind of goof it up or screw up things also.
Number of takes
Yes,
can be
there are
done.
no takes. There are
Acha.
no takes in lives.
Okay, okay.
There are only takes in recordings.
Yeah.
अगर हम कोई लाइव कवरेज कर रहे हैं, कोई लाइव गेम जा रहा है या लाइव टॉक शो कर रहे हैं,
Hmm.
तो there are no takes.
No
It's like
takes.
a
Yeah.
one take thing.
I know.
If
I remember. I remember our talk show when I was there with you on Doordarshan. So it was also live. It was a
yes,
live
yes,
telecast,
yes,
and there was not a single take which we have taken, and
no,
you were
and
flawless.
no, not at all.
But
And in fact, I must commend you because आप खुद ये काम इतने सालों से करते आ रही है. 25 years of being a motivational coach and inspiring people to help build their personalities. I still remember when I interviewed you, पूरा interview कितना smooth किया था. And I think that also comes from an understanding of the line that one is in and the passion for the craft and believe in oneself or believe in
I
one.
think, Sakshi, thank you so much for those kind words. But the thing is that I think you made me feel so comfortable. मुझे
Oh,
खुद ही नहीं पता चला कि वो कैसे इतना स्मूथली चला गया,
right.
I realized at the end of it कि when I saw the recording myself, I was amazed कि we haven't it was in a single take and it was flawless.
Yes, as I say ना, it's always teamwork. कुछ आप contribute करोगे, कुछ मैं करूँगी, कुछ producer. Whenever anything is done on television, or for that matter, anything that we do in life, it's always about teamwork because there are so many professionals who are
Right.
coming together to make
Yes.
sure that it comes out to be perfect. That it's never a one person's job. And when
It's
all the
always a
pieces
teamwork.
are
It's
involved,
always a teamwork. Right.
yes, all the pieces of the puzzle need to fall in together to
Right.
make it look perfect. अगर एक भी piece missing है, तो आपका
Mhm.
puzzle आपके सामने कभी तैयार नहीं हो सकता है. So that's the
Exactly.
same I think for in life, for anything that we do.
Perfectly said and very well said. Because I mean, team synchronization. If the team is not in sync, then the result cannot be,
Never,
a
never,
good result.
never.
Perfect result.
Yeah, never.
So, but let me just mention this thing. During this talk show and while I'm talking to you, Sakshi, I'm learning a lot from you
Oh,
as well.
thank you. I
Today
think
I
it's
am
like
actually,
usually.
because it was my dream also, it was my passion also to be an orator, and I'm very thankful to God that he has given me a lot of opportunities to present myself as an orator. But I think still at this age, after spending so many years, जैसे आपने बोला, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने कुछ कमाल किया है, लेकिन मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ, and I'm actually learning a lot from you. I watch all your shows, all your events, seminars and conferences which you keep on doing. मैंने सारे देखे हैं. I'm a staunch follower of all your events, And the way you actually presented, the way you actually, engage people while on the stage in front of the camera, it's like tremendously awesome, beautiful. It's like, I
Thank
must say that.
थैंक यू बिलीव यू मी देयर इज समथिंग दैट आज जैसे आपने कहा कि आप मुझसे आज कुछ सीख रहे हो आई ऑलवेज टेक अवे लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम एनी एंड एवरी पर्सन दैट आई इंटरव्यू और इफ आई एम इवन ऑन द स्टेज और इफ आई एम कमेंटेटिंग लर्निंग्स हमेशा ही रहती हैं जैसे जब मैं स्टेज पर होती हूँ तो आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग दैट कम्स फॉर मी टू मेक श्योर कि मैं उस दिन के उस इवेंट को या उस प्रोजेक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करूँ परफेक्शन पे इज फ्रॉम द पीपल बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम ऑन द स्टेज it what gives me the biggest high and the confidence and the drive to make sure that I give my 100% that day are the people. सामने जो आपकी ऑडियंस है अगर आपकी ऑडियंस आपके साथ इंटरैक्ट कर पाती है अगर आपकी ऑडियंस रेसिप्रोकेट कर रही है जो आप कह रहे हो आई थिंक देयर यू हैव टेकन अ टिक मार्क you already get your tick mark there.
Very true.
For some people it's a scary factor. People get like there are people who tend to just have the lights off when they're on stage because they don't want to look at people and they just want the focus light. And the person who says I want the lights on the audience because I need to see their faces. When I see the smiles on the face, when I see them reciprocating back, when I see them clapping or following something that I'm requesting them to do, that is where I know that my job is 50% done for that day because I've been able to get a reaction back from the audience. And they know that whatever I'm doing was saying that day, कुछ तो सही होगा कि लोग सुन रहे हैं और कर रहे हैं.
You feel connected with them. You feel connected with them.
Yes, I feel totally connected. And if
that's the best part.
I don't think I will say then that my day was 100%. I'm the biggest critic for my own self. अगर मुझे पता है कि आज मेरा 100% नहीं गया है, भला ही लोगों को बिल्कुल भी भनक ना हो क्योंकि ऊपर से I'll make sure कि एकदम स्मूथ जाए चीज. I will never be satisfied that night. I will come back home. I'll make a note in my notebook.
Beautiful.
What went wrong? And
I think that's the true, कहते हैं ना कि एक अच्छे खिलाड़ी की और अच्छे प्रोफेशनल की यही पहचान होती है. This is the you can say कि persona का एक ये part है आपका कि like you should not feel कि there is no scope of learning. You are perfect and you need not have to learn more. So कहते हैं ना गलतियां इंसान से ही होती हैं. तो अगर आपसे कोई भी मिस्टेक होती है उसको सबसे पहले एक्सेप्ट करना कि वो हुई है या फिर कोई कमी रह गई आपके काम में. आई थिंक उससे बेहतर कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. यू बिकम अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर. जैसे आपने बहुत प्यारी बात बोली कि आप किसी से भी सीख सकते हैं. यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम एनीवन. इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट एज दैट पर्सन इज carrying or how much experience that person is carrying, what is his background. आप किसी से कुछ भी सीख सकते हैं. जैसे you are so young and I must say कि इतनी कम एज में आपने जो हासिल किया है और जो आपने काम किया है, the contribution you have given in this industry is actually amazing. और in fact मैं चाहती हूँ साक्षी कि आप खुद बताएं व्यूअर्स को कि आपने जो इतने सारे सेमिनार्स और कॉन्फ्रेंसेस इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी आपने कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हैंडल किए हैं एंड इवेंट्स हैंडल किए हैं. यू हैव होस्टेड दोज इवेंट्स. सो कैन यू जस्ट गिव सम highlights of your milestones which you have achieved so far?
God. Highlights of my milestones, my goodness. It's
why I'm asking, Sakshi, because I want all those youngsters who are aspirants for this industry, who would like to join this industry. They would be very inspired. They would be very motivated listening to you.
I think there are a lot of them because personally मेरे लिए कभी भी कोई एक major project या अगर मैं कहूँ कि अगर मैंने कोई बड़ा project किया तो सिर्फ वही मेरे लिए as an individual on a personal level कभी भी बड़ा नहीं रहा. Every project that I do, no matter how small or how big, it requires equal amount of effort and dedication. So each one of them is special for me. But then, I mean, 12 years is a long journey to remember all of them. लेकिन कुछ मेरे ज़हन में जो ज़रूर आज भी हैं. One, I think, was personally when I interviewed Mumbai Indians face to face on the stage. And I think life came 360 degrees for me then because it was like a lifelong dream to interview cricketers. And I did have them. And believe you me, that was one of the days when I would say it was a perfect drama day for me. My show started exactly at 11:30 a.m. And at 9:30, when I had my stylist in the home doing my styling, I got a very, very bad news. And not professionally but personally, और मेरा mind पूरा messed up हो गया था उसके बाद. All through my way, I was on my call with my father trying to sort that issue out. And by the time I reached the venue, which was Taj, if I'm not mistaken,
Hmm.
I still remember that my mind was so everywhere that it took a lot out of me to collect myself and my thoughts together to know that in the next 20 minutes, the team is going to be arriving and I have to interview them. And then there's an audience interaction happening.
Okay. Okay.
And somehow, when I interviewed them and I saw them enter into the stage, first of all,
Hmm.
everything else just went out of the window in my head. All I knew in that moment was this is what I need to do.
Okay.
And there I was. It went effortless, it went smooth,
Beautiful.
and it was just beautiful. So that
Wow.
day, I felt life came 360 degrees for me
Very
personally
nice. Great.
and professionally. And I think commentating actually for the Khel Ratna Awards that
Which
happened.
one? Which
Khel
one?
Ratna Awards that
Okay.
happened. Khel Ratna
Oh.
Awards that of course happened, and I was there exactly covering them and
Hmm.
commentating for them.
Okay.
It was just a beautiful feeling again. And Rashtrapati Bhavan mein hue the wo,
Acha.
and the Honorable President was there.
Okay.
And doing it
Beautiful.
live, just seeing when Virat Kohli got awarded and
Hmm.
so many other people in the list got awarded. I think it's a beautiful feeling because
Hmm.
these are people, these are
Hanji.
individuals who've gone on to achieve feats in their
Yeah.
respective corners. And then when you're commentating and speaking on their behalf, and your voice is running behind the television for the whole coverage,
I know.
very
That's a
overwhelming.
wonderful feeling, I can say. You feel so elated. I believe you feel so elated when you are surrounded by so many, dignitaries,
Of course, yes.
VIPs, and then you are actually hosting that event because it's a big responsibility on your shoulders.
Yes. I think when you are working, at least I can speak for myself, when I am doing any event, any job, any project, उस समय मेरे लिए वो काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है, बस वो
Hmm.
काम होता है, because then my entire focus is on what needs to be done.
Right.
That whole feeling of letting the entire situation of what you just did or accomplished
Mm-hmm.
tends to sink in only post the event. When
Yeah.
people walk up to you and say that, your voice was beautiful or how effortless it was, or whatever people may say,
Wow.
I think it then starts sinking in and you realize that, oh my God, what a beautiful day this was. You bask into it. I mean, I still
Yes.
remember when I interviewed Shashi Tharoor also for the
Mm-hmm.
India Import Conclave. It was a live event that happened. We
Okay.
had a lot of people. We had Ridhima Kapoor Sahani, we
Okay.
had Shobha Day, we had
Huh.
several ministers come because this was an initiative on the grounds
Hmm.
of Make in India
Hmm.
and to support things these local manufacturers do and local people are coming up together to do to promote everything that's made in India. And we had so many important, influential voices come together and
Right.
speak through the course of the entire event for 7 hours that happened. So I
Hmm.
still remember the last segment was when Shashi Tharoor, Honorable Shashi Tharoor, came up on the stage,
Okay.
and he had to actually award these young minds, the minds
Okay.
behind this entire concept of India Import Conclave. And there was this short duration when I had to interview him live also. Now,
Okay.
it's a different feeling when you watch these people, and especially for me, Shashi Tharoor, I love the way he speaks. He's a
Uh-huh.
beautiful orator. No doubt, his vocabulary is so rich, his knowledge is so vast.
Definitely. No doubt about it.
Yes, and even though I've heard him a million times via television or via different platforms, just to be there in his presence and hear
Hmm.
him in person when you ask him
Hmm.
a question was such a humbling, honoring thing that day for me that post that event I felt just overwhelmed and somehow my hunger goes out for the toss. When I do such events, I feel so elated and happy internally. I still behave like a kid when I come back home.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
mean, I come back home and I thank God. The first thing I do when I sit in the car is call up my parents that
Hmm.
it's done, it went good or bad because they're just
Beautiful,
waiting
huh?
there, and that's the
You
first
feel
call.
so motivated from inside, and you feel thrilled.
Yes.
You have done something very constructive. It's a big milestone in it adds as a feather in your cap. So
Yes.
it's like that.
I
So
think
वो feeling तो definitely
adding
आती
a
है.
feather in my cap, I don't know if I've ever felt it that way, is because I love what I do. I absolutely love, and I would never have it had any other ways.
Yeah.
Life plays out as it does for us if we truly believe in what we want to do.
It becomes a feather, Sakshi, when people talk good about you, when people give the positive feedback. So
Yes,
that becomes a feather in your cap.
yes,
Though you are actually not expecting anything out of it, but yes, you are giving your best. जैसे आपने बोला आप बड़े focused हो और आप सिर्फ ये चाहते हो कि you should be giving your best and doing your best. Yeah.
yes.
So that's the whole idea about it. So I
That
think
is what makes my day. If I have done my job 100, 200%,
right.
I'll be the happiest bird.
Hmm.
In and out, even after coming back home. लेकिन अगर मुझे internally लगेगा कि आज कुछ खरिश रह गई इसमें, even though I get a million compliments because nobody on the outer side knows that there was a
Yes.
go up, But internally,
Yes. Only
I
you know. Only you were aware
yes,
of it.
and I think I take it up to my parents always because whenever I do any project, whether it's for television, digital, in-person project, or any which ways, the last call that is always there on my call record is with my mom and dad because I have to have that all the best from them. They keep me
Wow.
extremely grounded. No matter how big an event, how big a project, my
Right.
father is the person who says, "अच्छा ठीक है, चलो अच्छे से करना, good
Huh.
luck, all the best, अच्छे से जाए."
Beautiful.
And that is
Beautiful.
what I need to hear. And when I finish a
Yes.
project, the first call I do actually when I go in the back wings, or for that matter, even in the studio when I finish a show, I call up my
Uh-huh.
parents and I just tell them, "हो गया, अच्छा गया." My father
Wow.
would always like, "कैसा गया?" I said, "अच्छा गया." And that's exactly what Mama asked. So it's like two separate calls that go to each of them. They're waiting, and then they just want to know how did it go. So I
Okay.
think that just
What's
keeps it very
your,
grounded.
that's wonderful to know, Sakshi. Your parents must be, feeling very delighted after each event which you have been doing and talking to them. होता है माँ बाप को सबसे ज्यादा खुशी होती है और आई थिंक जितना जितना उनके दिल से दुआ निकलती है अपने बच्चों के लिए शायद ही कोई और आपको वो दे सकता है सो
And I personally also feel, Manuji, ki it's very
हाँ
important to, have parents who support you and let you be and let you fly. I
राइट
mean, extremely important. Not everyone is
वेरी
that best
इम्पोर्टेंट
in life, even though you may have the best parents in life. हर किसी के माँ बाप अपने बच्चे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, but बहुत
बिल्कुल
सारे
करते हैं
families ऐसी होती हैं जो अपनी ख्वाहिशें बच्चों के ऊपर थोपती है. I come
राइट
from a very, very highly qualified family where my father is a PhD in chemistry. He was in CDRI,
वाओ
Central Drug Research Institute, as a very senior scientist. My
ओके
mother has been a teacher on her life and also a singer because she has an MA from Bhatkhande, which is a very prestigious institute for music.
या
And despite that, they were never parents who kind of never believed in what I believe because they knew कि I know what I want. And they
यस
just let me be. मेरे पूरे परिवार में कोई इंसान मीडिया में नहीं गया.
हाँ हाँ
And that whole decision of not taking a job but
हम्म
choosing to be a freelancer from day one
हम्म
was very difficult, I'm sure, for them mentally because I'm an only kid living in Delhi. And their biggest concern at that time was that she's traveling and meeting new people every day. But they chose to believe
Yeah,
in
I
me.
can understand.
And I
In
think,
fact, Sakshi, I would like to know one thing more here, since you mentioned that you started your career as a freelancer.
Ji,
So you must, I can understand, all the children who finish their education, after their post graduations or something like that, they look for a job, a secure job wherein they can actually, unleash their potential and work, and they can get a fixed salary, a remuneration at the end of the month. So starting as a freelancer is a big, risk in your career. How did it went on? I mean, did you find any challenges when you
yes,
started as a freelancer?
yes, challenges I think मनु जी हर किसी को मिलते हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट दैट challenges जब आप करियर की शुरुआत करते हो किसी भी तब
Hmm.
आपके लिए वो बहुत ज्यादा बड़े बनते जाते हैं या बड़े होते हैं बिकॉज यू वेरी न्यू टू योर फील्ड बट एज
Right.
यू ग्रो ओल्ड इन द फील्ड
Hmm.
challenges still come just all you the best thing is that by then you know कि आपको
Hmm.
challenge को कैसे टैकल करना है so
Right.
when I started my career also I did face my challenges
Hmm.
but I've been an eternal optimist all my life honestly
Okay. Hmm.
uh, it's very difficult for a situation to get the better of me mentally.
Hmm.
It will never happen. I mean, it's very rare of the rarest that I can remember जब किसी situation ने मुझे overwhelm किया हो या मुझे एक particular zone में डाल दिया हो for a considerable amount of time. नहीं,
Hmm.
ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ.
Hmm.
But initial days में I think the biggest challenge was that to network. And it was not very difficult for me. Why? Because even though I had no godfather in this line or anybody to guide me, I was very sorted. I've always been a very sorted person. I cannot function in mess, whether it's in my
Okay.
surroundings or
Yeah.
whether it's inside my head.
Okay.
So my everyday ritual used to be to make a notepad के अंदर notes कि मेरा कल का to do list क्या होगा.
Right.
That
Right.
so even if
Uh-huh.
there were days initially,
Hmm.
for the first 2 years, I still remember there were days, sometimes 2 weeks also, when I was sitting without work.
Hmm.
But it never took me on the back seat because I
Okay.
made sure कि अगर मैं 2 हफ्ते भी घर में बैठी हूँ
Hmm.
तो ये कभी ना हो कि मैं उस टाइम को बर्बाद करूँ. I used to sit and network. I used to call people. I started
Very
working on my
nice.
profile. I got my
Very
photo
nice.
shoot done.
Hmm.
And I got my entire biography done. I understood what are the requirements of the kind of things or the line I am in. And मैंने
Great.
उस टाइम को उसके ऊपर वर्क करने के लिए काम किया to make myself out
Hmm.
there more visible, everything. And there was
This
no one to
is
guide me.
This is a big inspiration for all the youngsters, millennials, especially people, children these days. I've seen myself, I do counseling also. So I've seen them, like, they want everything ready made,
Yes.
ready to use, ready to eat, like ready to eat food.
Right.
So, it is very important to understand the nuances of the industry, the challenges which you are going to face. No matter, जैसे आपने बताया, challenges हर किसी की लाइफ में आते हैं, रिस्क हर किसी की लाइफ में आते हैं, फेलियर्स भी आते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप उस टाइम को बेटर यूटिलाइज करके नेटवर्किंग करते हैं, एंड यू डू योर होमवर्क प्रॉपरली, यू रीच आउट टू पीपल, यू नो गेट कनेक्टेड विद देम, यू लर्न फ्रॉम देम, देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस, देयर सेटबैक्स एंड देयर फेलियर्स, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। आई थिंक
Yes.
ये सभी को सीखना चाहिए आपसे, कि आपने जिस तरह से एज ए फ्रीलांसर स्टार्ट किया अपना करियर, और उसके बाद बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली साक्षी, कि नेटवर्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और आई थिंक आपने जब अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया आज से 12-13 साल पहले, तो उस टाइम पे भी नेटवर्किंग वाज लाइक, इट वाज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल टुगेदर, पीपल वर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एट ऑल। टुडे नेटवर्किंग, कहते हैं ना कि नेटवर्किंग विल एक्चुअली डिसाइड योर नेट वर्थ।
Yeah.
सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर आपका लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, आपका रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है, यू आर नॉट अ पीपल्स पर्सन, देन यू वोंट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव
Correct.
इन द
Correct.
इंडस्ट्री। तो ये
Yes.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात बोली आपने, कि ये जो अपने जर्नी में शुरुआती दौर पे जो शुरू के आपके साल थे, सो और भी कुछ चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए इसके अलावा? जैसे आपने कहा कि मेरे को शुरू में
I
इतना काम
think
नहीं मिलता।
the other challenges that I faced very practically, given the fact that I see media has always been associated or rather looked upon as a line which is comparatively and relatively where people are more skeptical of, because हम बहुत सारी चीजें मीडिया से सुनते रहते हैं, खास तौर
हाँ
से
जी,
पीपल्स को लेकर,
राइट।
एंड पीपल हमेशा ही skeptical रहते हैं. And having been in this line, I've come to an understanding that this has nothing to do just with media. You
हम्म,
know, हर तरह का एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, हर तरह की चैलेंजेस और डिफिकल्टीज आपको हर लाइन में मिलती हैं, बट बिकॉज मीडिया इज अ यॉनर जो पब्लिक के लिए आउटराइट सामने है,
हम्म,
इसलिए उनको इस लाइन के बारे में पता ज्यादा चलता है, इसकी
राइट,
अच्छाइयां भी इसकी बुराइयां भी। जितना
एग्जैक्टली,
एक इंसान या जितना कोई चीज सामने होगी पब्लिक में, उतना
बिल्कुल
ही
ठीक,
उनको उसमें खामियां भी दिखेंगी और उसकी अच्छाइयां भी पता
हाईलाइट
चलेगी।
हो
तो
जाती है, हाँ।
when I started my career, I still remember, because I was a freelancer and I was, hosting events and everything.
हम्म,
My kind of line has no work life discipline. My only discipline in the day is the first day, the meal of the day that I have my breakfast, when my cook gives that to me. After
राइट,
that, how my day goes is all dependent upon my project, my calls, my mails, everything. It's like a
राइट,
Sunday can be a Sunday, sometimes a Sunday is a Monday for me also.
या,
That ways. So I
हम्म,
used to travel very odd hours because of
ओके,
work.
ओके,
Events happen normally in the evenings. Conferences भी आपकी normally 8, 9, 10 बजे तक खत्म होती हैं.
हम्म,
Post में there'll always be a networking dinner. And
राइट,
being an only child, because I was living in a different city, my parents used to stay up till 1 o'clock till I had not checked into my house, which is
ओके,
still till today,
या,
you know, because
हाँ
they
हाँ,
used to be up. So those were the very real challenges which I think are very real and anybody would face, which is key. Even if you're traveling odd hours, you need to carry your safety and security in your own hands.
वेरी ट्रू,
It's not
या,
that just because you're in the line of media, you are going to be more, out there to become a victim of some kind of a situation.
राइट,
अगर आप अपनी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी को लेके थोड़ा और सेंसिबल हो जाएं और केयरफुल
हम्म,
रहें, तो
हम्म,
you can survive and you'll be very well off in your life. So
राइट,
this is the biggest challenge I faced, to understand कि मुझे अपनी सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी अपने हाथ में लेकर चलनी है,
हम्म,
एंड मेरा काम ऐसा है कि इसमें रात बेरात मुझे होगा, बट
एग्जैक्टली,
एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड
हाँ,
कि ये काम की वजह से है, और मैं सही लोगों के साथ नेटवर्क करूं, सही
हम्म,
लोगों पर विश्वास करूं, जो मैंने
हम्म,
इनिशियली नहीं किया। इनफैक्ट ऐसा नहीं है कि पीपल हैवंट मेड मी अ फूल, हैव मेड अ फूल आउट ऑफ मी। देयर आर पीपल हु विल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अपॉन योर नेम or
एग्जैक्टली,
upon your hard work. You'll always find
एग्जैक्टली,
such things. I took
राइट,
my
राइट, इन एवरी इंडस्ट्री, इन
yes,
एवरी इंडस्ट्री इट
yes. So I
हैपेंस,
took
या,
the learning from that, and I made sure that I start trusting the right people professionally, so that
ओके,
nobody uses my name or my hard work to his or her credit.
हम्म,
And the other most important challenge that I learned to deal with was how to make sure that I keep my safety and security in my own hand.
हम्म,
मैं कभी भी कोई ऐसी चीज ना करूं जो मुझे किसी भी तरीके के सूप में डाले या मेरी
राइट,
फैमिली को ट्रबल कर दे। एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आई कैन से दिस विद कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इन माय 12 years I have never done anything so reckless or stupid or taken any kind of such project
या,
which put my safety or security in jeopardy.
ओके,
And that I think was the biggest piece of wisdom I learned through the challenging situations.
ओके,
And that I think is very, very important. every place is as safe for a female as we want to make it for ourselves. Simple.
Exactly, very true. It all depends upon you. How do
Yes,
you actually carry yourself?
yes,
You know,
yes.
मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, साक्षी शायद आपने भी पढ़ा हो, कि we actually tell others how they have to treat us.
Correct.
It is up to us.
100%.
It is up to us. और ये हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है, और सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री में क्यों, प्रोफेशन में क्यों, आई थिंक ये पर्सनल लाइफ में भी होता है.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी वेरी
आप
ट्रू. आप कितना अपने आप को कैसे प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं,
एग्जैक्टली,
हाउ
हाँ जी,
इम्पोर्टेंट इज सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू. आप
एग्जैक्टली
कहाँ पे अपनी लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं,
ड्रॉ
आपके
करते हैं,
मॉरल्स कितने क्लियर है, आपका कॉन्शियस कितना क्लियर है,
बिल्कुल,
आपकी वैल्यूज जो आपके अंदर इनकलकेट करी गई है,
हाँ जी,
आप उनको कितना अपने अंदर से दूसरे वाले सामने वाले इंसान को दर्शाते हो और कैसे दर्शाते हैं, उसी
राइट,
से आपकी पर्सनालिटी बनती है. बिकॉज
बिल्कुल,
प्रोफेशनली पीपल विल ओनली नो यू, इवन जैसे
अग्री,
आप हो, with your
100%,
professional persona. Nobody is coming to your house or to your bedroom to know the personal side of you.
exactly,
Professionally, you have an
unless until you are
correct,
giving them that right, yeah,
correct,
yeah,
correct. So an image that you build professionally has to be an image that
yeah,
is that portrays to the other person and makes it very clear that okay, this is the kind of lady I'm talking to. She is a no mess businesswoman, and she means work. She intends work. She's a professional, and she'll get the work done. And that is the kind of
exactly,
image you build for yourself then.
right,
And after that, it's all your interpersonal bonding, and which is fair enough. Everybody gets to have one, of course.
yeah. You know, I mean, it is up to you to change the perception of
Correct.
other people about yourself. So it
Yes.
is very important that you know you have to draw those lines. So I agree 100% with you, Sakshi, on this. And I think being a female, being a woman in such profession, जैसे आपने शुरू में बताया कि मीडिया को लोग थोड़ा सा they're apprehensive to send their children there, and people think you know you have to take the shortcuts
Correct.
to be successful in this particular career. But ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है सबके साथ हो, because it all depends upon your how you actually carry yourself, how do you present yourself.
Yes, always. 100%. And that, Manuji, is not just applicable for media, by the way. It's for
Yeah,
every honor. आप अपने
yeah,
आप को कैसे लोगों से परसीव कराते हैं, आप अपने
right.
बारे में लोगों की सोच कैसी बनवाते हैं,
Hmm.
और आप किस तरह के इंसान हैं,
हाँ
वो
जी,
आप ही की पर्सनालिटी से दर्शाता है और दर्शेगा हमेशा.
right.
आप जैसा लोगों को चाहेंगे वो वैसी आपके बारे में सोच बनाएंगे. आप चाहे
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल
तो
ठीक
बदल
कहा,
भी सकते हैं. वो
बिल्कुल
आपके
ठीक
हाथ
कहा.
में है. After that, you just need to leave it to God, because the society or people will always judge you. They always need to judge you. Everybody has an opinion about everyone. So you
साक्षी,
can't control that.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, एक चीज मैं को अचानक से याद आई जो मैं यहाँ मेंशन करना चाहूंगी आपके बारे में. When I had been there in Doordarshan, so I was waiting for you
जी,
in the makeup room,
जी,
that green room which was there.
जी.
And the moment you enter, I was actually, you know, expecting somebody coming. You know, she's the host of the program, and she will be having a lot of attitude, a lot of airs around. You know, so I hope she will be, you know, treating me nicely. So it was like, you know, butterflies in my stomach. So I was already feeling very anxious because it was my first live telecast. So, you know, when you entered that room, and it was like, you know, all of a sudden I got very positive vibes from your end. You approached me so nicely, very humbly, you were such a modest person, I must say, smiling, bubbling, and you know, you were greeting each and every person, the makeup man, the females around there, the producer, everyone was like very delighted to have you there, you know, which actually uh, proved the kind of person you are.
Oh boy. Fine.
And since I am also a psychologist by profession, so I was able to understand that she is somebody who is a people's person, and she knows how to do a PR, you know, public relations. You are mastering in PR. That was a wonderful experience I had with you. मैं उस दिन से आपकी fan हूँ. मैं आपको कभी
Finally.
बताया नहीं है.
नहीं, नहीं,
You
नहीं,
know,
बिल्कुल नहीं. I would see,
so
as I said, कि अगर आप कहते हो आप मेरे फैन हो, तो I'm equally inspired
no,
and
no,
happy
it
to
is
work.
coming straight from heart, Sakshi. It is coming straight from heart.
I know that, Manu ji, कि
Genuinely.
आप कितना मुझे मानते हो, and I think that bond is totally mutual, because humility is something I've always seen in you also, and I don't just say it for the sake of saying. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं मनु जी, because as they say कि मेरे अंदर ये है मनु जी कि मैं जैसी इंसान ऑफ कैमरा हूँ, मैं उसी को ऑन कैमरा भी ले आती हूँ. बस इतना है कि ऑन कैमरा मुझे थोड़ा सा कम बोलने की जरूरत होती है, इतना मैं असल जिंदगी में बहुत बोल सकती हूँ.
True.
That is something I need to do, and I have done that. Else,
Yeah.
I think it's a very smooth transition. We need just a
Hmm.
smooth going into on camera अगर आप वही इंसान दर्शाते हो जो आप असल जिंदगी में, and that also goes for you because I remember when we interviewed you, you were so humble about the fact, and जैसे आप आज मेरी इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, आप उस दिन भी कर रहे थे, मुझे बहुत vividly याद है, and I
You
kept
know,
saying that
I
you have
think वो भी दिल से निकल रहा था. I was completely fascinated by the way your gestures, your way you were carrying yourself, your body language was so positive. So that's why it was coming very naturally.
Thank you. But
So
then
hats
see,
off
this
to
is
you.
what
Hats
I
off to you.
say back to you also. In fact, not say back to you, but also say for you also कि आपके पास इतना ज़्यादा experience है over 2 decades का मनु जी, and उसके बावजूद, you know, we are able to communicate with each other. आप मुझसे जब आज बात कर रहे हो, अगर you know मेरी जगह कोई और इंसान हो, तो शायद उसको कभी पता भी ना चले कि आप 25 साल से एक मोटिवेशनल कोच हो, आप लोगों की लाइफ को इंस्पायर करते हो, चेंज करते हो, because that's the ह्यूमिलिटी एंगल अबाउट यू, यू नो, आप इतने हम्बल हो कि कोई भी इंसान आपको इजीली अप्रोच कर सकता है और एक्सेस कर सकता है, एंड
इनफैक्ट ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे
दैट
बहुत लोगों से मिलता है कि यू आर वेरी अप्रोचेबल, यू आर वेरी एक्सेसिबल.
and I think that's a very beautiful trait to have, and I think ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जिसके ऊपर आपने काम किया होगा कभी. This is you because personally
I think it comes very naturally, Sakshi. I always had this passion in my mind that I want to help people.
Yes.
I want to make a difference in their lives. You know why I have actually invited you to this show? I started this show keeping in mind the vision was that, you know, I want to invite people like you who can actually inspire others by their life journey, how they have actually, you know, achieved success by facing all the challenges, by actually, you know, accepting the failure as an opportunity and never giving up attitude. So ये जो चीज, जो जज्बा मैंने आपके अंदर भी देखा, ये मुझे बहुत फैसिनेट किया. तो मैं चाहती थी कि आपसे लोग इंस्पायर हो, आपकी लाइफ जर्नी को वो सुने और वो आपसे कुछ सीखें, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों को ना आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि दे आर इनटू अ रैट रेस दीज डेज. एवरीवन इज जस्ट running, everyone is just competing with each other. They do not have a particular direction, कोई focus नहीं है उनको. ये पता नहीं. अच्छा क्या होता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में सबसे बड़ी जो एक कमजोरी है, जो एक वीकनेस है, वो ये है, स्पेशली हमारे माँ बाप जो हैं, कुछ माँ बाप, मैं सबकी बात नहीं कर रही, एक्सेप्शंस आर ऑलवेज देयर, बट हमारे पेरेंट्स ये जो बच्चों को ना ये नहीं बताते हैं कि फेलियर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ.
very true, very true.
एंड इट इज अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ कि आप फेल डेफिनेटली होगे, बट उससे हार नहीं माननी. अब क्या होता है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो बच्चों को इतना प्रेशराइज करते हैं, वो उनको सिर्फ यही बोलते हैं कि तुमने फर्स्ट आना है, तुमने उत्तीर्ण होना है, तुमने उससे आगे निकलना है, या तुमने सबसे बेस्ट बनना है, which is not possible. It is next to impossible. Nobody can be perfect. There has to be some shortcomings in every individual. तो क्या होता है कि आप लोग जब बात करते हैं, आपके जैसे लोग जो एक कहते हैं ना कि यू आर अनसंग हीरोज, यू नो, ऑफ द सोसाइटी, जिन्होंने काम बहुत किया है अपने क्षेत्र में, और उसको हाईलाइट करना बहुत जरूरी है, लोगों तक ये पहुंचाना बहुत जरूरी था कि देखिए, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सक्सेस रातों रात मिल जाता है, ओवरनाइट मिल जाता है, कि आपने एक एपिसोड किया या एक कॉन्फ्रेंस होस्ट की, या जैसे आप इतना सालों से काम कर रही हैं, एंड यू हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग ऑल्सो, यू हैव सीन दोस चैलेंजेस ऑल्सो. जैसे आपने बताया कि आप कभी कितने दिन तक बीच में काम नहीं होता था तो आप नेटवर्किंग करते थे, यू वर यूटिलाइजिंग दैट टाइम टू द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर. आजकल के बच्चों में पेशेंस ही नहीं है, वो एकदम से परेशान हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट everything ready to use,
and I think that's a very wrong approach to life.
Everything on the platter. Yeah.
Yes, लेकिन ये बहुत गलत अप्रोच है मनु जी, बिकॉज इसमें क्या होगा ना कि लाइफ में आपको डिजेक्शंस बहुत मिलेंगे. सी अगर आप ट्रूली मानोगे कि यू आर अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि लाइफ कभी भी आपकी ऐसी ही नहीं चलती रहेगी,
नहीं
उस
चलती,
नीचे भी गिरती है, और उसके लिए आप अपनी निजी जिंदगी से सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन ले.
राइट, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
Life में इतने relationship, you may have been married for like, I mean you नहीं, in general I'm saying कि कोई भी इंसान 25-30 साल से भी अगर शादी कर चुका है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि 30 साल बाद उसकी अपनी पार्टनर के साथ लड़ाई नहीं हो सकती या डिफरेंसेस नहीं आ सकते हैं. Similarly, even in your career, no matter, yes, no matter how big, like even after 12 years of being in this career, you know, there will be projects and days for me when I will just feel, oh shit, this went wrong today, this did not work out. The only learning I have taken from this is that there are bad days and there are good days, and the bad days are only a learning for me.
एग्जैक्टली।
बिकॉज अगर कोई चीज मेरे लिए वर्कआउट नहीं करती है, आई मीन दिस ट्रूली, आई फॉलो इट बाय द रूल, बाय द टेक्स्ट बुक रूल, आई ट्राई एंड फिगर आउट व्हाई डिड इट नॉट वर्क आउट,
या
व्हाट वाज इट कि इसके अंदर कुछ दिक्कत हुई। हर
राइट।
चीज के जवाब तो मुझे नहीं मिल सकता है, बट आई विल कंटिन्यू वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ।
मैंने कहीं सुना था, कहते हैं कि कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, आपने भी सुना होगा कि मैंने जिंदगी में आज तक कोई मिस्टेक ही नहीं करी, कोई गलती ही नहीं हुई मुझसे आज। तो उसमें दो ही कारण हो सकते हैं, कि या तो वो इंसान झूठ बोल रहा है, या फिर उसने आज तक कभी कुछ नया किया ही नहीं,
या
कभी
मे
ट्राई
बी
नहीं किया।
नेग्लिजेंट एंड इग्नोरेंट
एग्जैक्टली।
आल्सो,
या
इग्नोरेंस।
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई कभी कोई मिस्टेक ना करे।
यस, नहीं,
या
हाँ, इट ओनली
तो
कम्स फ्रॉम प्लेस
गलतियां
टू
तो
प्लेसेस, आई फील।
जीवन का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है।
हाँ जी, बहुत बड़ा, बहुत बहुत
हम्म,
बड़ा। मैंने जैसे कहा, ये मैं मानती हूँ मनु जी कि
या
गलतियां इंसान मरते दम तक करता है।
करता है।
देयर
हाँ
इज
जी।
नो सिंगल ह्यूमन इवन कि
हम्म,
वो अगर 70 या 80 साल के हो गए हैं तो
हाँ
वो
जी।
गलती नहीं कर सकते। हम
हाँ जी।
इंसान हैं और इंसानों की फितरत है कि वो गलतियां करें। कुछ
करेगा ही।
जानबूझकर करते हैं, कुछ अनजाने में करते हैं। बस
बिल्कुल।
फर्क इतना होता है कि क्या आप उस श्रेणी के लोगों में हो जो अपनी गलती को मानता है और उसको सुधारना चाहता है, या आप
यस।
उनमें से हो जो अपनी गलती को या तो पहचानते ही नहीं है या
हाँ,
पहचान के अनदेखा कर देते हैं।
अनदेखा कर देते हैं, बिल्कुल
कि मैं
ठीक।
तो गलती कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ, क्योंकि वो
हाँ,
आपका अभिमान, उससे ज्यादा आपका गुरूर है जो बोलता है।
एग्जैक्टली। हाँ
और वो
जी।
बहुत गलत है, बिकॉज जब
हम्म,
आपका गुरूर आपके अंदर से बोलने लगेगा,
हम्म,
आप जिंदगी में कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे मनु जी। आप जहां
राइट।
पर हो, आप वहीं पे ही रह जाओगे, बिकॉज
बिल्कुल
आपके
ठीक।
आसपास की दुनिया के लोग आपसे धीमे धीमे साथ हटाने लगेंगे।
वेरी
आई
ट्रू।
मी एंड माई सेल्फ आर वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड्स,
हम्म,
जिनको सही समय पे लिमिटेड रूप से अगर इंसान इस्तेमाल करे तो बहुत
राइट।
अच्छा है। लेकिन अगर इनसे हम भर जाएंगे तो वो
यहाँ
गलत।
पे यहाँ पे जो आपने ये बात बोली ना साक्षी, देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन टू वर्ड्स। लोग थोड़ा सा उसको गलत वे में ले जाते हैं। वन वर्ड इज प्राइड एंड
करेक्ट,
द अदर वर्ड इज प्राउड।
करेक्ट,
You should be pride about yourself. You should have a feeling of pride, but you should not be proudy.
करेक्ट, कभी नहीं, कभी
There
भी
is a
नहीं।
difference.
वेरी
Yeah.
राइट, कभी भी नहीं। जिस दिन
स्वाभिमानी होना और अभिमानी होना, इन दोनों
हाँ,
में बहुत फर्क है।
बहुत फर्क है, बहुत पतली लाइन है
बहुत
लेकिन
फर्क
बहुत
है।
फर्क है,
हाँ
बहुत
जी।
ज्यादा फर्क है।
या
करेक्ट। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से ओवर हियर इज दैट अगर आप सच में अपने दिमाग को किसी चीज पर केंद्रित कर लो
हम्म,
और उसके लिए बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट्स ना चाहना चाहो, बट
हम्म,
पेशेंटली स्टेप बाय स्टेप सही तरीके से आप उसको अप्रोच करेंगे,
हाँ जी।
जो लक्ष्य आपने आगे बनाया हुआ है वो जरूर पूरा होगा। If I can
डेफिनेटली।
do it during the lockdown, staying alone with nobody to see me or to step out, get the studio in the house and
या
start working and start opening up new avenues,
वेरी
then
नाइस।
anyone can. It is
वेरी
not
नाइस।
very unachievable feat. It is a very achievable feat. All you require is a focus and dedication and passion. That's it.
एग्जैक्टली।
और कुछ
राइट।
नहीं चाहिए। ये
Nobody
बहुत
can actually stop you doing
यस,
that.
ये
Yeah.
बहुत बड़े शब्द नहीं है, यकीन मानिए। ये बहुत
हम्म,
छोटे शब्द है और इसके लिए अगर किसी को शुरू करना है तो वो बहुत छोटे-छोटे शब्द, छोटे-छोटे
हम्म,
तरीकों से शुरू कर सकते हैं।
या
एक हमेशा कहा जाता है ना, जैसे मैं जब घर में पेरेंट्स के साथ रहती थी, माय फैमिली
हम्म,
यूज्ड टू से व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग,
या
हाउ यू स्टार्ट योर डे स्पीक्स अ लॉट अबाउट यू। आई यूज्ड टू
एग्जैक्टली।
गेट अप एंड डू अप माय बेड फर्स्ट थिंग।
या
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपनी लाइफ को ऑर्गेनाइज अगर करें तो अपने दिमाग को ऑर्गेनाइज को करना शुरू करें।
वेरी ट्रू।
फर्स्ट थिंग आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज जस्ट डू माय बेड। अपने
that
बिस्तर को
that reflects in your personality, complete persona, how
गेट
organized, how disciplined you are, how focused you are.
वो फिर आपकी अपने जीवन शैली में भी ना ट्रांसलेट होगा कि आप किस तरह से अपनी लाइफ को भी अप्रोच
Hmm.
करते हैं।
Right.
जितना आप अपने आप को अपने दिमाग में
Yeah.
ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बनाते हैं और लेस
हाँ जी।
क्योटिक रखते हैं,
Hmm.
वही चीजें आप अपनी लाइफ में अपने लिए भी उतारते हैं और करते हैं।
बिल्कुल
उसी तरह
बिल्कुल।
से आप अपने करियर को अप्रोच करेंगे, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को अप्रोच करोगे। हाउ
Right.
यू कीप योरसेल्फ, हाउ यू
Yeah.
कीप योर लाइफ,
Hmm.
how you at the same time make your lifestyle
Hmm.
helps you bring that kind of discipline also in other genres of your life.
Exactly.
It all starts from very small things, very
Very
small and
true.
basic things.
Very true,
And you
Sakshi.
stick to them,
Very
you
well
will go
said.
there. Definitely, you'll go there.
I would like to request you to tell our viewers, especially those youngsters, what
जी,
are those three commandments which they should
जी,
follow in their respective life. Somebody who is actually aspiring to be a part of this industry, media industry, तो उनको ऐसी कौन सी तीन चीजें उनके अंदर होनी चाहिए,
हम्म,
which can actually help them to
हम्म.
be successful.
Okay, the first thing that I feel for this line that you require is an extreme passion for the craft. Media
Mm-hmm.
is not everyone's cup of tea.
Okay.
इसमें what you see on television is all very glamorous, very nice, but it is just completely 360 degrees to what you see on television or what you see
Mm.
on the screen in front of you.
Right.
It's a lot of hard work.
Okay.
It's a you can bid adieu to all your chuttis in life that you have, like Holi, Diwali. You'll be working on these literally, as I said. कुछ
Yeah.
दिन मेरे Sundays मुझे मिल जाते, that's a blessing. कुछ दिन मेरे Sundays होते ही नहीं. I'm working through the weekend.
So you have to, one has to leave the comfort zone.
Yes, you have to
Yeah.
be. And I think comfort zone से ज्यादा, because comfort zone से तो आपको हर craft में निकलना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
But बहुत जरूरी ये है कि आप इस field को लेके passionate हो.
हाँ जी.
Really, because in this line बहुत सारे लोगों का saturation level आ जाता है 5 से 10 साल के अंदर. Because
Okay.
of course it takes a lot out of you. You have to be on your toes. So, passion for the craft is a must.
Very
One
much.
thing.
Okay. Very
And
good.
of course, when you are passionate, and then when you convert that into dedication and perseverance, it will start giving you results. You
Right.
should not be expecting कि आपको 1 से 2 साल के अंदर इसके अंदर results दिखना शुरू हो जाएंगे. नहीं, कभी भी नहीं दिखेंगे, किसी लाइन में नहीं दिखते. Unlike a stable job, यहाँ पे आपको perseverance और hard work का result काफी लंबे समय बाद दिखना शुरू होगा. When people start recognizing you and associating your face or your hard work with your name. So it's very important that you are extremely passionate about this line.
Yeah.
Once you are sorted कि this is what you want, the second thing that you would need to work upon is कि आपके plus और negatives क्या है. और सबसे बड़ा प्लस जो आपके अंदर होना ही चाहिए वो है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स.
Right.
और
To be into this profession. Yeah.
Yes, written and spoken. In case you lack that, but you wish to be in this line very deeply, then work on it. आपको अपनी communication skills के ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. I can give you a book that I have stuck to till date, like my present day dictionary, which is Renan Martin. And it's a grammar book that you can approach for working on your communication skills, written communication
To improve the vocabulary. Yeah.
Correct. And at the same time even vocal. बहुत सारी exercises आती हैं जिनको आप YouTube कर सकते हैं, Google कर सकते हैं अपने diction को clear करने के लिए, बोलने की, आपकी शब्दावली अच्छी करने के लिए, and at the same time आपकी जुबान को साफ करने के लिए. So communication is the second most important commandment that I would say is very needed in this line. And the third commandment that I feel one should definitely have in this line would be dedication towards the craft and hard work. Hard work, as I say, is a common word for every yawner, definitely.
You mean to say consistency is very important.
Yes,
yeah.
very, very important. And at the same time, इस line के अंदर आपको practical होके जिंदगी बहुत बतानी पड़ती है, because this is an outdoor line more.
Yeah.
So don't buy all that glamour. No, it is like, you could say it is like the added privilege of this line that you need to look glamorous, but then at the same time there'll be days when you 24 hours will be like completely chaotic. And आप ग्लैमर से बहुत दूर होंगे क्योंकि आप कॉन्स्टेंटली कॉल्स पर होंगे, रिसर्च कर रहे होंगे, फील्ड पे होंगे, लोगों से बात कर रहे होंगे, आपको खाने पीने की सुध बुध भी नहीं रहेगी. So the three things that I would personally say that one needs to work on is, of course, figuring out if you're truly passionate, which will then transpire into perseverance and at the same time dedication. Second would be your communication skills. And third, I would say, please work on your personality. Overall personality. Yourself up to date. आपके current affairs इस line के अंदर up to date होने चाहिए. Even अगर आपकी beat suppose आप चाहते हैं कि आपको entertainment में जाना है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बाकी सारी beats और genres में क्या हो रहा है आप उससे अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. Because हो सकता है entertainment की beat में रह के आपको एक political person को या किसी eminent minister को interview करना पड़े on a light note. So you need to know all
exactly. You have to keep yourself updated.
Yes, up to date हर चीज के बारे में होना इस लाइन में बहुत जरूरी है. So make sure you read a paper or some source of news every day of all yawner's as per your wish. And अगर आप ये चीजें करती हैं तो well, then as they say, just choose to be a learner all your life. And learning कभी भी फालतू नहीं जाती है. So as you carry on being a learner through your life, you will go ahead in this line and ultimately shine.
Beautiful, very nice, Sakshi. I must say, I mean, I think ये तीन चीजें जैसे आपने बताई, इनफैक्ट आपने तो 3 नहीं 5-6 बता दी, जो अगर इनकेस हमारे बच्चे जो हमें सुन रहे हैं, जो यंगस्टर्स सुन रहे हैं, वो इसे फॉलो करें रिलीजियसली, तो दे कैन एक्चुअली अचीव सक्सेस, अ लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव करियर्स. एंड जैसे आपने बताया कि दे शुड बी अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर, तो देयर इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर कोट ऑन दिस कि नेवर स्टॉप लर्निंग because life never stops teaching. So every day you can learn something new.
True. Very.
It was a wonderful.
मैं तो आपसे
wonderful.
नहीं वंडरफुली, मैं तो इनफैक्ट आपसे आपके लिए कुछ कहना चाह रही थी, बिकॉज जब हम बात कर रहे थे यहाँ पर आज पॉजिटिविटी की और हम बात कर रहे थे परसिवियरेंस की, आप खुद 25 साल से एज अ मोटिवेशन कोच, इंस्पिरेशन फॉर सो मेनी पीपल, यू नो यू आर कंडक्टिंग कोर्सेज टुडे, यू आर गिविंग लेक्चर्स टू स्टूडेंट्स इन यूनिवर्सिटीज, आल्सो कंडक्टिंग सच सेशंस. आई एम श्योर आप मुझसे ज्यादा लोगों से रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में मिलती हैं. आई मीट
all age groups, all age groups,
but you meet people in bulk, in masses, because you are sharing your knowledge. And and I think that's a blessing. I mean, having a person as a mentor as you, jaise aap hain, and to have someone who is a mentor like you, I'm sure the fact that you tend to touch people's life by just being so simple and so dignified and such a strong force to reckon, which is in the package of a person जो बहुत ही humble है and at the same time बहुत easy to
Thank you so
approach है.
much.
That's,
Thanks a lot.
I think that's the most beautiful and the most real thing about you, which makes people connect with you, जो आज के लोग miss out कर देते हैं, you know, कि
Right.
आपके अंदर कोई गुरूर नहीं है अपनी किसी भी स्किल सेट को लेके या स्किल को लेके.
Right.
आप आज भी 25 सालों बाद भी एक इंसान के लिए उतनी ही इजीली एक्सेसिबल हैं और उतना ही दूसरों को अपनी लाइफ से, अपनी टीचिंग से और अपनी स्किल सेट्स को देना चाहती हैं दूसरों के
हाँ जी,
अंदर.
बिल्कुल.
That's a
It's my passion, Sakshi. जैसे आपने बोला ना कि it is coming straight from my heart. I really want to help people. मुझे in fact लोग बोलते हैं कि ये टॉक शो जो आपने शुरू किया है, what are you getting out of it? So मैं उनको एक ही बात बोलती हूँ कि मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है इतने प्यारे लोगों से मिलके, इतने इंस्पिरेशनल लोगों से मिलके, उनकी जिंदगी के बारे में जान के, उनकी लाइफ जर्नी एंड देन हाउ दे हैव एक्चुअली फेस्ड एवरीथिंग एंड दे हैव इमर्ज्ड आउट ऑफ इट एज अ विनर एंड यू नो दे आर एक्चुअली इंस्पायरिंग अदर्स. सो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. इनफैक्ट जैसे आपने भी बताया, remaining humble and modest in life is very important. Remaining grounded and you know, remaining connected with your roots is also very important, being a lifelong learner. So it was a wonderful interaction, Sakshi. I must say, I will this is a memorable episode of my talk show, and जो चीजें मैंने आपसे भी आज सीखी और जो हमारे viewers ने आज आपसे inspirations इतनी सारी गेन करी है, आई मस्ट से कि उनको डेफिनेटली ये काम आएंगी उनकी लाइफ में, उनके करियर में, और अगर वो इसको रिलीजियसली फॉलो करते हैं तो दे विल बी डेफिनेटली सक्सेसफुल लाइक यू. एंड आई वुड विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस, साक्षी, फॉर ऑल योर फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स. और आपने मेरी बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ कर दी है, मैं उसके लायक नहीं हूँ. यू नो, इतना मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है जितना आपने बोला, लेकिन आई एम स्टिल वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू. I, you know, share my feeling of gratitude towards you, and keep smiling the way you are, remain positive the way you are, and you know, keep inspiring people, Sakshi. Thank you so much.
Totally mutual, Manuji. And अगर आप मुझसे कहती है कि I inspire people's life, then the fact that आप खुद भी इतनी humble हैं जितना मैं हूँ life में, and I can speak with you such ease and इतने comfort level से आके, I know I can speak for that, because अगर मुझे इस line के अंदर इतने साल हो गए और आपको खुद को भी, और फिर भी आज हम इतनी आसानी से एक दूसरे से बात कर लेते हैं, despite the fact that we are professional colleagues first and then we got to know each other on an interpersonal level. लेकिन आज ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे बीच में एक प्रोफेशनल रिश्ते से ऊपर एक इंटरपर्सनल बॉन्ड हो गया है.
Exactly.
It goes to show कि आप खुद भी कितने humble और approachable हैं. And the feeling's totally mutual. Thank you for having me on your platform.
Thank you so much, Sakshi.
And I wish you all the very best जो आपने initiative शुरू किया है of bringing people who are unsung heroes to be out there on your show to inspire people and let their stories be heard. I wish you all the very best, and once again a deeply humble heart saying thank you for having me.
And before we can actually you know, sign off, I would like to tell all the viewers, if in case you want to learn something more from Sakshi Madwal, she is here with us as one of the guests of the honor. So she is available on Facebook. She has a Facebook handle. She is also there on Instagram. आप कभी भी कोई भी अगर आपको कोई tips चाहिए हो related to this career, please feel free to approach her. She is a wonderful person to be with, to talk to. And इसी के साथ मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि जिंदगी में बहुत से ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी, बहुत से ऐसे मौके आएंगे जहां आपको बड़ा कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी, लोगों के साथ जुड़ने का मौका मिलेगा, उनके साथ नेटवर्किंग का मौका मिलेगा. उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को कभी मिस मत होने दीजिए, और ऐसे लोगों से सीखते रहिए, उनकी लाइफ जर्नी से सीखते रहिए, ताकि आप अपनी जिंदगी को बेहतर बना सकें और एक खूबसूरत लाइफ जी सकें. So thank you so much, Sakshi, and all the best once again.
Thank you so much, Manuji. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
अगर आपको इस प्रोग्राम से कोई भी प्रेरणा मिलती है या इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, तो you can subscribe my YouTube channel, Ask Manu. You can also get connected with me on Facebook and Instagram. Your life is a message to others. Make sure it's inspiring. Signing off. See you all in my next episode.